Romania! We are here! Look at it! Here are from these... I love this place! Look! Here you can see on the side of the road there are all of these people that are like selling all kinds of stuff that they produce themselves. I think that's so amazing. Look, here is one more. These people are just, you know, sitting on the side of the road and selling their produce here. It is such a different place, and the mountains, they are incredible. I am so happy we're here. I love Romania. Romania is gorgeous. Look, there's another a woman. She's sitting here on the side of the road selling her produce that she made herself, I think. It's just such a beautiful country. It's, oh, God made this so wonderful. I mean, right now we are traveling, like we are going up into the mountain, and there's another person selling like grapes and apples, and I think they're selling things like rakia. That's like a really Romanian alcoholic beverage. I think what I've seen there, like these big bottles with like normally there is like how do you call that, cola or stuff in these bottles, and then they put like, I think they made it themselves from grapes or something. They made the rakia from grapes or something, I think. But here you see them, and I think it's wine that they made, and you see all these bottles of certain drinks, or maybe it's vinegar, I don't know, but it's so special that they're just sitting here on the side of the road and selling their produce to people. And you know, these mountains are stunning. It's so different than in the Netherlands. The Netherlands is such a different place. It's really like flat compared with this. Here we're going the mountain, up on the mountains and down on the mountains. And we're enjoying ourselves, and we're having fun here, looking around. And we're going to arrive in about 2 hours in another part of Romania, because there we're gonna stay for another night. The last night was amazing. We had a beautiful place where we could stay, where we could cook, and everything was looking very nice. And tonight we're gonna go into another place in Romania. We sleep there one more night, and then tomorrow another night, and then we're gonna go to Bulgaria. Woohoo! And then we're gonna come home in our own farmhouse, which we purchased for $8,000. So if you would like to see our travels, and if you would like to follow us, and if you would like to learn how you can make money online even while you travel or have fun with your family, make beautiful moments with your family, just follow me, and or drop me a comment, of course, and I would love to share it with you, how you could learn how to make up to even more than how you can make $900 days or more even. Yeah, God bless you everybody, and I hope you're having a wonderful time. I'm sure I am. I'm just so impressed with all these people. Oh, it's gorgeous here. It's like we are in the forest. Yes, it's the forest. So, God bless you everybody, and I see you in the next video. Well, actually, you only heard my voice, but that's okay. Bless you. Bye.